people who are not very familiar with Carnatic music, this raga is called as a Major Kalyani. It is one of the. This raga is called as Major Kalyani actually in Carnatic music. It is one of the 72 ragas which has all the scales: Sari Gama Padanisa, Sani Dapa Magarisa. So this is the 65th raga out of the 75th raga. And what happens exactly in Carnatic music is we use a lot of bhavams when we are actually singing the songs or even the scales when we present. For example, when we catch the Gandharam, Sari Ga, this is just plain. Sari Ga, Maga Maga. We catch the next note also. Ga, if you observe it, Ga, Maga Maga Maga. Pada, when we catch the Ma Pada, this is plain. Pada, even you catch Nishadam, it is always the next note you catch. Nisa, Sa, Ni, Da, Pa, Ma, Ga, and there are so many beautiful compositions composed in Kalyani also. So this was one of them which I sang.
So as he said about how to introduce the scale, in Hindustani it is not more about the kind of moving around the same note. It is more about being stable at a particular note. In Hindi it is called sthir rehna, ek note par. So as he sang Ga, I'll just sing how we present Ga or any note for that matter. Ga. That is why I don't know if you realized in the alap when we did, there was a slight difference. The Carnatic and Hindustani styles came out very specifically because of the way the alap went. Re, ma, re, ga, re, ga, pa. So one of the differences there.
And another thing is in Carnatic music, when you actually do the alap, you use a lot of notes like tadarana, tadarana. I think more.
Yeah. Which use notes but not so pronounced. Like it's more up to like whatever you feel at that point of time. So we can move on to the next rag.
Yeah. Okay.
The next rag that we are performing before you is Rag Bhimpalas, which is called by Rag Aberi in Carnatic music and Bhimpalas in Hindustani music. We are going to follow the same pattern. We are going to have a composition in Hindustani. In fact, two compositions in Hindustani and one composition in Carnatic. One more intricacy is that generally in Carnatic compositions there are three paragraphs: stanza 1, stanza 2 and stanza 3. I won't get into the names of them, will confuse, but stanza 1, 2 and 3. And in Hindustani generally there is stanza 1 and 2. So what I am going to do here is that when he sings stanza 1, I will sing my both stanza 1 and 2. When he sings stanza 2, I will sing both the other compositions stanza 1 and 2. And for convenience, he is not singing stanza 3. So, Rag Bhimpalas. Again, we will do a short alap, and this rag we are presenting more for the beauty of the compositions. In the previous rag, we did a lot of improvisations. If you saw, a lot of tans and playing around with the words. That is called as Bol Banao in Hindustani music. So there's a set composition, but we played around with the words. It's called Neraval in Carnatic music. So, but this rag will restrict more to the beauty of the compositions than doing a lot of improvisations. Anyone?
Any questions? Do you want to ask anything? Or Dasna madam or Akshay sir?
What is an alap?
What is an alap?
What is alap? Anybody in the audience know?
Yeah, everybody knows. Everybody are artists here. What is Alap? Can you please explain?
So, okay, I'll start first.
Yeah.
Good question. Fantastic question.
Alap is basically now when you take a composition. Am I audible to everybody?
Yeah.
No.
So basically, when you take a composition, okay, it is set to a particular raga. So, how beautifully that raga can be sung, what are the variations that you can bring about in that particular raga? You can probably take it as an outline, or it can be sung in depth also, so that the people will understand, how that raga goes about and what are the variations you can bring in that.
Basically, it is to set the mood of the raga.
Set the mood of the
But
song.
it's sung in slow motion. And that's part of the beauty, to hear the notes gradually unfold.
Yeah, and then you get a feel of that particular, the emotion that the rag is trying to depict. When we do like sing an alap in slow, we are introducing each note one after the other as it appears in the rag. And then the phrases, the intricacies of the rag, just to give you a feel that when the actual composition starts, you're already kind of aware about how this rag is. That is the purpose of an alap.
So how will we know when the actual composition starts? When the percussion instrument?
And when the bowl starts, so like Nanadi ke bachanu vasahe na jai. This is the composition.
So the beat starts.
The first line of the composition, but alap is there's no words.
So when it starts itself, you can guess what that singer is going to sing, which song probably you can probably guess it. So there are plenty of compositions. So
there you go. You all have at least a bachelor's degree in Hindustani Carnatic music now. Yeah. Sure.
I have one question. In Hindustani, we don't start with Sama. In
Yeah.
Carnatic, we start with somewhere near about Sama. Hindustani, it's more than 8, 9, 10 matra. So how do you adjust?
So my composition started from 4. In the 16 bit, 1, 2, 3. Nanadi ke bachan vasahe na. 1, 2, 3. Nanadi ke. And his composition actually starts from 1 or 2 maybe.
yeah, it starts from 2. So Vasudevayani. So I was continuing till the end of the song. I was singing, but when it came to the
Improvisation part, what he did that he pushed his sum to 4 so that he could match to
so
me.
I could match with him.
Yeah, it is not necessary to do that. We did it so that it looked, it made it easier for you to understand. I don't know. I don't think it served the purpose, but we still that was the attempt. That he pushed his
No, I
sum.
understood. That is why I was wondering how did the song move on to the some.
No, song could have anyway moved on even if we started in his own place and I started in my own place, because the cycle of 16 is constantly there. It is up to us where I want to start. My point is 4. The cycle is 16. It's a metronome. It will go on all the time. I have to start at 4. He has to start at 2.
So you started the swarams at 4 and ended at this.
No, I will start the swaram at anywhere, depending on wherever I
And
can.
in that-
But I will catch my
And when
composition
we did
in
the
4.
Korvai is the last part where I was also trying to say something, in which we did tata dom, taka tata dom, taka tiku tata dom, ta ti ki ta 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 dom. Here the sum was from the first beat and
First
it
to first.
ended on the first beat.
Yeah, and we did it 3
And
times.
if we had planned before, we never met. This was the first time that I am meeting them. And if we had planned it before, we would have done the sum. We would have taken
Started
the sum
from a
on the
different
first
place.
beat and ended on the fourth beat. We would have done that.
Yeah.
Next concert, November.
Excuse me?
November next concert. they are
November,
going to
so
start.
soon. Okay.
We'll be ready.
Gotta practice, get some new material.
So he starts from 2, but to make it look similar, he pushed his sum and started it from 4, because he's not singing all the words of the first line, but I am mandated to sing all the words of the first line. That is why I can't change my position. I have to start from 4. To roughly explain. Okay, we'll start with Rag Bhimpalas.
na
को लगी प्यारी हाँ सूरतिया आज लाडली मुखतंबूला बिल से मुखतंबूला बिल से मुखतंबूला बिल से नख मेहंदी और शीश बिंदिया नख मेहंदी और शीश बिंदिया नख मेहंदी और शीश Apparently we have some more time, so we have not planned for this. We just planned these two rags, but we'll give you a flavor of some light Indian semi-classical music. I will present a bhajan. It's called Ram Bhajan Karman. It is originally been sung by Lata Mangeshkar ji and Pandit Bhimsen Joshi. It was a duet that they had sung. Music by Sri Srinivas Khale, very great Marathi composer. So I will just sing like a few minutes of this song, and then maybe Vijay can present something in a light semi-classical Carnatic music. Oh my सब मेरा राम सब मेरा राम सब मेरा राम में सब तुलसी के प्रभु नानक के रब तुलसी के प्रभु नानक के रब राम रमैया घट घट वासी राम रमैया घट घट वासी सत्य कबीर भजन राम भजन कर राम भजन कर ओ मन रे कर तू राम भजन राम भजन कर मन भजन कर मन
So in Carnatic music, in the later part of the concert, we generally do something called as Raga Malika. So Raga Malika is basically we'll have different ragas in the same composition. And the one I will present right now, it will have 8 ragas. The first half will contain 4 and the second half will contain 4. So I would present that composition right now and also tell you the scale of those ragas, those 8 ragas, how it goes about. So in this Raga Malika, the first ragam would be Saraswati, the second raga will be Nalina Kanti, the third will be Amrita Varshini, the fourth one will be Anand Bhairavi, the fifth one will be Kalyani, the sixth one will be Bhageshri, then Saveri, and the last one would be Kiravani. And once I start the first half, once the 4 ragas are over, in the descending order we will be singing the Chitai Swarams. So Chitai Swarams are basically, we have these notes like Saregama, which we will be singing in the reverse order. So when I sing, I think it will be more clearer.
सकल कलैयरुलुम श्री सरस्वती सकल कलैयरुलुम श्री सरस्वती.
Sorry, before I just go ahead, I just want to inform you, each line will have the name of the raga. One line, one raga, the next line will have the name of the raga. So that's how it will go.
सकल कलैयरुलुम श्री सरस्वती सकल कलैयरुलुम श्री सरस्वती रत्नयल्लापरुं तलिनकारिये रत्नयल्लापरुं तलिनकारिये अखिल भुवनं मोरु अमृत बलिये अखिल भुवनं मोरु अमृत बलिये आनंद मार्गरु आनंद भैरविये आनंद मार्गरु आनंद भैरविये अलबचने हरि हरि राम मगरि जने मगरि गमम अलबचने हरि मम रे मम गर मग मम गर हरि जग मग मम मम मरि जने मम मगरि जने मगि जने जगरे मगि मम मम देव मनि पदे सनि पदे सनि राम मम पद सनि पदे सनि ग हे सानि राम हरि भवद
అరుళం చేసనగతి
Sri Anirudh Srinivas Raghavan, Sri Vijay Kumar on the Karnataka, Sri Hare Krishna on the tabla, Gaurav Deepuj, Sri Kaka, and we immensely thank him to give us this opportunity. Every month, more or less every month, we have been performing here, and it's really.
I'm getting choked up, man.
We'll meet later on.
Let's hear a big one for Satish.
Thank you.
And of course, we could not ask for a better audience than you, so please give yourselves a big hand. It's a real pleasure having you all in the house.
Thanks to Sudhir for the wonderful sound system.
And for all the folks from Whistling Woods International who are doing all kinds of great works behind the scenes. They're doing as much work as we're doing, but they're just kind of invisible, very professional. So give those guys a big hand too. I'll be helpful. So keep your eyes peeled. Look at our Facebook page. And if you want to know what's going on, we have all kinds of music. We have film. We have dance. We have all kinds of activities here, and we'd like to invite you to explore what we're up to around here. So please stay in touch with us. And thank you so much for being here tonight. Cheers.
If you all have any feedbacks to share, you're most welcome. But if you have any suggestions to make it, maybe in a better way, just we can.
Yeah, was the food good? How about the service?